I'm going to be turning Espresso by Sabrina Carpenter into a drill track. But I'm not just slapping drill drums on it. I'm rebuilding the entire track from scratch around her vocals. New chords, new drums, new everything. Let's jump straight in. Let's isolate the vocals. Let's speed this up a little. Let's get a little bass line going on. Yeah, that sounds dope. Damn, this vocal extraction isn't particularly clean. There's a lot going on in there. Let's try and find a better part of the track to use. I'm working late, 'cause I'm a sealer. Yeah, this sounds way better. Let's start getting to work on the drums. Yeah, that bounce is fire. Yeah, now this is sounding super unique. Really hate these chords, I can't lie. Right, we're gonna need some kind of lead. I think this sounds interesting. Got some thermals to this. Right, let's render that. I think that's the pattern. Right, let's make this bass line sound fat. Yeah, I like that. Definitely sounds better with this vocal. Right, yeah, let's add this vocal. All I've ever wanted was an ice cold beer. What? All I've ever wanted is an ice cold beer. Right, let's change the bass line on the drop. Guys, this playlist is a mess right now, but we're done. Right, so guys, here is how the final track sounds.